Good evening everyone, and welcome to today's stream. Day 14, wait a second, down there. Day 14 of my freeCodeCamp challenge, no, of my 100 days of code challenge, sorry about it. And today I already coded pretty much the whole day. I tried to fix the problem, and yesterday, as you remember, some of you might remember, or from the previous video, if nobody's actually watching it, so yeah. From the previous video, 형님 안녕하세요. In the previous video, I had to go on the forums and ask about a problem I had. And let me just see if I can go to the freeCodeCamp forums again. Oh, is my voice strange? It should be the same. Or maybe it's a little bit more deep. Or maybe I'm becoming Batman. So yeah. Okay, so let me just prepare something on the screen and then I'm going to switch it. Let me just see where it was. Okay, and I'm going to open. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, let's see what's happening over here. So what happened yesterday was I had a problem with the CSS code. I couldn't get the media, the resizing part. I think I got it, I'm not really sure. I hope I got it. So let me switch over here, and now you can see. Yeah, now you can see over here. Reduce the BG music. Okay, no problem. Actually, it's quite high today. Okay, now it should be a little bit down. Is it better? By the way, how are you tonight, Hyungnim? And yeah, okay, what happened yesterday is I had a problem over here. Let me just put it in one screen so you can see what happened actually. Where I had a problem, this is the fixed code, and I think I should be able to, oh no, I committed, because I already uploaded on GitHub. There is a problem now that I can't see the previous code. So yeah, there was a problem. The problem was that the original code, as you can see from over here, let's say header, and then you should close off the header, right? But over here, what they have is you have the header, and then you just put like a media query right immediately inside the header, like the commands related with the header, and then you close it off. And this thing did not work with me at all. And as one of the users recommended it, that if I just put it on width 100%, it just fits perfectly. And I guess I just missed the part. Thank you, Aditya VT, for this. And then there was this also freeCodeCamp user over here, GWE Solo. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah. He says one big problem you have is that a lot of the CSS isn't valid. Like the code does not work at all. You can't nest other selectors and media queries inside the selector. Like as I said over here, what happened was I had the selector over here, and then I had this little guy right inside the selector, which is not how you should do it. But the interesting thing is that the challenge itself, the freeCodeCamp, like the person who coded the challenge, it works for him, and I have no idea why. But yeah, okay. And I did as what he said. Like, it took me a whole day, like literally, so I can try and understand what's happening over here. And As you can see over here, you have the header, and then media query, open the selector, and then put another header selector inside. And I did something similar, or maybe I should fix it now. Let's see. We think it works for me because you can see the page over here. These guys don't work, so I have to fix these guys over here. Like I have this menu. I know the colors are awful. I haven't finished with the footer, by the way. I should finish this guy also. I haven't finished with the footer. Like I just put anything. Like you can see that I used only 2 colors. I don't want to use only 2 colors. But for more, I noticed that there is movement. You see how it switches? You see how they move around when I resize it? So the media query works properly, I guess. From the looks of it, works properly. It's just that it's not very beautiful. Not very beautiful at all. 형님 지금 목소리 잘 들려요? 아니면 마이크로폰 올려드리겠네요. 잠깐만요. 옛날 마이크로폰 쓰다 보니 그럴 수도 있겠네요. 일단은 맞네. 잠깐만요. 이 정도는 괜찮죠? 아닌가? 네, 테스트. 오케이. 제가 마이크 제대로 올리지 않았어요, 볼륨이. 그래서 좀 조용했나봐요. 많이 조용했나봐요. 오케이. 그러면은 잠깐만요. 계속 설명해 볼게요. Okay. So what I did with my code is, as you see over here, I have the media query, and then over here I specify that I want to select the header class. 세요. 잠깐만 여기 놓을게요. 이렇게. 그래도 이게 더 세네. 이상하네. 어제랑 이렇게 안 셌는데 왜 그럴까요? 어제랑 똑같은 볼륨 썼는데 이상하네요. 일단은 오케이. 음악이 조금 이번에 인터넷 라디오 쓰다 보니 어제 라디오 지금 뭐가 좀 연결이 안 돼서 다른 라디오에서 지금 들었어요. 들었는데 볼륨이 되게 높아요. 그 어제 라디오보다. 그거 문제인 것 같아요. 인터넷 라디오라서 이게 뭐 볼륨이 좀 안 맞나 봐요. Okay, so over here I specify this, and then actually should I, you know what, yeah, let's try and see, is this person over here recommended, because it looks like I saw it but I didn't see it properly. For this media query, I should put header, and then the flex wrap. Let me see over here. Save it. Okay, now it's actually working way better. You see? But wow, that's a little bit too much, right? So what I wanted to do is, when I went to Google's material, like this design.google, if not mistaken, design.google.com, and I saw the guidelines. the material guidelines over here. Oh, sorry. Every time I turn on the camera I feel sleepy. I have no idea why. I'm over here. What I want to... Where did I put it? After the web, yeah, over here. There was this graph where you can see like small tablet is like this much pixels and whatever points. So they don't use pixels, they use points. Let me try to find it again. Oops, sorry about it. Oh, I have again a cup of strawberry tea. I had beer. And I did not drink it. Should I drink one? Or should I not? No, better not. Let's for tomorrow's stream. Tomorrow's stream there's gonna be beer with it. Oops, no, this is not the guide. Okay. You know what? F it. Let's do it by intuition and memory. So pretty much intuition. Over here, let's go to 260. If I do it to points, I wonder what's gonna happen. I wanna resize this. When I resize this, the camera, the screen is gonna move a little bit weirdly, but okay, this one is 960, and then after 960 you see how it moves around. So we have the wrap proper thing, and then we have the logo, and then the logo, let's put that logo. Oh, not 0O. Then over here we should have big, then one, and then another margin top is still 260 points. I'm gonna use points, that's what they recommend. And the width is 100. So let's see if actually it's 100. Okay, so looks like I didn't do my job properly today. What? Hey, learning from mistakes. One thing I thought it was working, but looks like it didn't work properly. No, it was working, but maybe I just didn't target it properly. I didn't target it the way I should have targeted. But yeah, it's okay. No problem. Everything can be fixed with a few lines of code. Unlike printing, where the moment you put you send the file to the printing company and you're pretty much done. You don't like how it looked? Too late. You wanna print another 1000 copies? If you have the money. But yeah, in code or in digital, let's say in the digital universe, everything can be changed. You just update it. Okay. Oops, sorry about it. And then we have logo image, which should be also in the same media query. Because it was in the same thing. And 60 points, and then I'm gonna open up this guy over here. I'm gonna close this fellow over here. Bang, and then bang, bam, bam, bam. Then we have But why is not my Beautify working all of a sudden? I don't understand what happened. Like I had this Beautify. Yeah, what happened with Beautify for Christ's sake? It's over here. It should be working. Just give me a few seconds. Let me enable everything. Enable all extensions. Disable other key maps. Okay, I'm gonna disable the other key maps. And then what I'm gonna do is show enable. Installed. Let me reload for a second. Maybe because I disabled the key map? Really? I installed a key map. Are you bloody serious? Really? And now something else is bloody broken. It's still initializing. Sorry about it. Yeah, it's still initializing. That's why. That's where the problem was. Okay, what if I remove this guy over here? Control Alt B. Okay, beautiful. So looks like I was wondering why is not my key binding working properly, because I had atom key map installed. What would happen if I uninstall it? That wouldn't be really nice, right? Or how can I actually change the key binding? Let me see from the settings menu. Every time I try to do something and then like something else like pops up, and I'm getting angry now. I'm getting angry. It's not the key binding settings. Keyboard. I need keyboard. Extension. Keyboard shortcuts. For advanced customization, open the key binding. Huh. I don't want this. I don't want this at all. You know what? I'm gonna search for extension, Visual Studio Code, key. Let's see if something pops up in the market. What? There is even like Japanese language for this. There should be Korean also. There is Chinese over there. There is like a language pack for keybind. Like there is a language pack for intelligible keybind proof class Visual C++. So popular. Python C++, Visual 1 Dark Pro, which I'm currently should be using, Angular Docker. Beautify is installed. Prettier, I think I used it in the previous. Huh. Weird. Command B. Use the following to embed a bit for shortcut in keybind. Replace it with key binding. So show built-in extensions. Okay. And let's do a test. That is okay. Yeah, that's what happens when I touch around and ooh, this looks nice, and then something happens. Bang! No idea what happened. Okay, so we're waiting for all the extensions to load because my processor is under. Wow, processor is on fire. Like literally, it's on fire. I could bake a cookie on it.
Only the best in trance and progressive. You're listening to Dublin's #1.
Thank you, Ireland, for this radio, because digitally, you know what? Let's go, let me see if it's gonna work. And today I got bit by mosquitoes, and those little bastards, wow, they hurt. Oh wow. Oof. Let me see if it's gonna work actually. I want to play your radio, a favorite radio of mine, in the background. Don't sue me, please. Hope it's not a problem, but it might be. We'll never know. Okay, so if I go back, bang on this guy, it can be. Okay, so it's still not working. The key bindings are weird now. Finding files, replace, no, I just want to beautify, explore, scan, toggle order, breadcrumbs, toggle breadcrumbs, nope, new breakpoint, no, toggle breakpoint, no, I don't want to do this. Where are you? Why are you not working? Why are you not working properly? So I have to go to settings. Okay. I guess this stream is gonna be 1 hour of me trying to fix the bloody key map. Okay, I get it. Extensions, beautify, language. With abbreviation. Nope. One thing annoying about this Visual Studio Code is that if I go to settings and I go somewhere else and then all of a sudden I go back to the 0, so I have to find it again, which could be quite of a pain in the arse. Load, please, load. Okay, beautify config, no. set the first one containing the configuration options of the and verify if the general existing project root is correct this configuration. Nope. If it doesn't work, looks like I'm gonna have to go back to Atom again. So annoying. It's so annoying, I have no idea. Oh, bummer. Looks like this guy doesn't work with Chrome. Okay, I'm gonna stop it for a little bit. I'm gonna open another menu over here. I don't know if you can see it, or I guess you could see it. And yeah, the music is going to be down for a little bit until I turn on something else. Again, another disaster of a stream. Enable the allow JavaScript from Apple events option in Safari's developer menu. Oops. Development. What? Allow JavaScript from Apple events. Allow JavaScript from Apple events. Okay. So let's go back to the stream, please. Why am I always so unprepared? Okay, it should be playing. Why is it not playing? Is it gonna pop up or is it not? That's a mystery. Let's see. MSNG, whatever that means, I guess. Okay, bye bye with the events. Current track is stopped. Okay, okay, looks like it ain't gonna happen today. Why? Okay. Let's see this guy's playlist, which has exactly 2 songs, so F off, mate, if you ain't gonna... Not cool, man, not cool. Not cool at all. Yeah, I should have stayed with the internet radio. My mistake. Just keep with whatever it works. Why should I have made it so complicated? Okay, let's go back to Dublin. User cancelled what? Yeah, I'm getting impatient now. I'm getting really impatient now. Not cool at all. Really not cool. Fuck. Okay, let's hope that this is gonna work now. Yeah, just wasted 15 minutes on bullshit. User cancelled what? Yeah, this ain't gonna happen today. It's just fuck. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Enjoy the music in the meantime. Okay, we're back online. For now, looks like I fixed the problem with the music. Sorry for the delay, everybody. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, I was going to fix key bindings. I was going to fix the key bindings and see what's happening over here. Beautify. Let's see. Beautify file. Looks like I don't have anything. Command and B. Toggle sidebar. Toggle sidebar. Change the key binding to Command Alt B. Okay.
Ireland's only dedicated trance
And
radio.
then
24
let's go
hours
here
a
to
day.
beautify.
This is transpulsefm.ie.
Add key binding to Command B. Command B. No, not B. Command B. And beautify selection. Let's put the beautify selection to Command Control B. Okay. Okay, now it should be working properly. Let's hope so, right? Okay, buddy, are you gonna work now? You're working now. Okay, we have beautify working. Yay! So happy. Wasted 15 minutes in the screen for this. And now from over here, let me just do. And let's see what's going to happen. Oh no, I gotta go live. Oops, my bad. Okay, so I'm going live. Let me see if I refresh over here what's going to happen. Okay, so we have the lights working properly, I guess. And for this part over here, yeah, so looks like it's working, but we can make it to 760. Oof. Here, let me just find where was it? Layout. Responsive layout grid. Should be loading. Why are you not loading? Okay, so what I did is I hit 260, but I don't think 260 is enough, so 720 points. Points. this together. Video next to it. What is it? 600. Small tablet. Small tablet. Intriguing. PDF take logo. 됩니다고요. This, and then what if I remove this guy? Let's see what's gonna happen. Bang, we don't have it 100%. We don't want to do this. Okay, so we have the logo working, I guess, properly now. have it working properly, but let's see what's gonna happen with the navigation. The navigation is going to be a little bit of a pain in the behind. We have this set to 620. No, it should be 600. And then margin from the top, let's put it to 10 points. And then, let's put it actually 8 points. I'm gonna go for 8 points. And then the width should be 100, put it to flex, the column, center. And then the padding should be 52 points. Then this guy over here should be media. Open brackets. These guys, max width is going to be how much? Max width is 620 points. And then over here I'm going to place this fellow. I'm going to beautify the friend. Let's see if it's going to work. Nope. It's getting quite windy. Just give me a second. I'll be right back.
Only the best in trance and progressive. You're listening to Dublin's #1, Trance Pulse FM.
And I am back again. So what I was doing over here, another really cool song. And then what I have over here is display flex row and then space it around. And for this guy we should have yes, exactly, that's what I wanted to do, and I was wondering why it was not working. Then you have this and then bang this. There is this movement, I don't know how, where is it coming from? Maybe it's a problem I have. Maybe it should be, everything should be 600 to be honest. Because there's exactly like, it looks like it's just 20 points off. So that's why it blinks a little bit. So let me just see. If I do everything to 600, what's going to happen? Bang! Perfect! Perfect! Just magnificent! Brilliant! With my awful pronunciation in English. 형님 불가리아 발음 영어 듣기 연습하고 계세요? 아, 제 발음이 진짜 안 좋아요. 좋았으면 고칠 수 있었으면 좋겠는데 고치기 어렵네요. 아, 그래요? 아마 이탈리아에 좀 계셔서 한번 이탈리아 말 그 뭐지 이탈리아 영어 알아듣기 시작하면 다른 것도 문제 없을걸요? 그렇죠. 원어민 다 알아들을 수 있을 거예요. 그 다음에 도전은 인도 발음 영어 듣기. 그것도 알아들을 수 있으면 문제 없어요. 싱가포르랑 되게 독특해서 그 저거 뭐지 말투 자체 독특해서 그거 알아들을 수 있으면 문제 없어요. Buon appetito. 아, 맞네요. 이제 bon appetit bon appetit 많이 쓰나 보네요. 생각보다. 아, 그렇죠. 유럽 많이 쓰는 것 같아요. 맛있게 먹으라는 말이 없으니까 bon appetit 되고, 미국은 그냥 enjoy the meal 쓰는 것 같아요. 그렇게 막 뭐죠? 막 유럽 영향 많이 벗어나서 enjoy the meal 그럴 것 같아요. 제 생각은. 왜냐면 제가 막 미국 사람한테 보나페티트들은 저기 많지 않아요. 대부분은 그냥 enjoy the meal 하고 그랬던 것 같아요. 영국은 모르겠네요. 영국은 글쎄요. 제가 어렸을 때 배운 게는 딱 깜빡해가지고. 테일러 스위프트? 어떤 노래예요? 그래요? 몰랐어요. 저는 테일러 스위프트 노래 제목이 하나도 모르겠어요. 그거 쉐이키 빼고 다르고 모르겠어요.
I'm in love, in love, in love. I'm in love.
Okay, about us, margin top, and then with 12 REM. Let me go with 120 points and see what's happening over here. Bang! Nope. Nope. Let's go for 136 points. Nope. Yet, damn it. 148. Better. A little bit better. A little bit better. Not that bad, but still. Could ask for more. And then the bottom icon go to flex, center it, and then the height should be 125 points. Nope. Let's go for 146. 48. And then the width is going to be the same as whatever they said, or maybe we might increase it. Why don't we increase it? Let's make it fun. Let's go to 30 VW and see how big this is gonna be. Oh damn, that's huge. Ooh, wow. No. 24 VW. Wait, that should be properly working? Why is it not? Is it, maybe 20 is just a little bit too much. 60. Oops, sorry. Nope, no. I don't want to look at this. I don't want to look at you. 8 VW. Huh? The fuck? 8 points? Feet 미gus 케이티 페리. 저도 케이티 페리 노래도 모르겠네요. 오케이. 색깔도 선택하고, 그리고 그 다음에 이 친구의 about us and then dot icons and then 550 is a little bit 480. I'm gonna go for 480. Let's go for 480. Hello, let's see what's happening over here, son. Okay, perfect. What? There was a way to do it from this, but I can't remember what to do with it. 형님, 안녕히 주무세요. 푹 주무시고, 그리고 다시 뵙겠습니다. 잠깐만요. 저는 뭔가 짱들이 좀 움직여서 푹 쉬시고, 내일 또 혹시나 온라인이시면 제 스트림에 어서 오십시오. 짜오 아도마니. 저도 거의 원어민 수준이겠네요. Buena noche. 아 그렇네요. Buena noche. Buena noche. 네, 주무세요. Ooh, it's almost 1 o'clock. Okay, maybe I should stop also because I gotta go work tomorrow. But for tomorrow we're going to start for sure. I'm going to finish this by myself and then let's start another project, the next project. By the way, thank you to these members of the freeCodeCamp community for helping me out. I really appreciate it, especially helping me with the media query and how to properly place it. And then for this thing, tomorrow, what are we going to work with is, just give me a second and I'm going to show you. Tomorrow we're going to work, or I'm going to work, and if somebody comes on the chat, please enjoy it with me. That would be lovely, to be honest. And tomorrow's topic is technical documentation. We have to make, why? Enjoy this song also. If you want to enjoy the song, it's going to be somewhere down there, maybe. I always mistake where the position is, like it's weird. So it's gonna be way over there in that edge. You see down there? This is the current song playing. Like you can see in that, yeah, over there. Just you see. This is my Twitter. Follow down here. Song is, over there. And the current song is Heart of Trance, Madagascar, Ferry Corsten radio edit. Ferry Corsten was one of my favorite DJs. Why is the website so broken on a Safari? For Christ's sake. Like, I get it doesn't work properly on Safari, but is it? Curriculum. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to make a technical documentation page, and I'm going to read out aloud what are the objectives. First objective: build a CodePen.io app that is functionally similar to this, and then there is a link to the example. Fulfill the below user stories and get all the tests to pass. Give it your own personal style. You can use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to complete this project. Plain CSS is recommended because this is what the lessons have covered so far. And you should get some practice with plain CSS. You can use Bootstrap or SAS. Damn. If you choose additional technologies, just for example jQuery, React, Angular or Vue, are not recommended for this project, and using them is at your own risk. Other projects will give you a chance to work with different technology stacks like React. We will accept and try to fix all issue reports that use the suggested technology stack for this project. Happy coding! Exclamation mark. User story 1. I can see a main element with the corresponding ID of main doc, which contains the page's main content. Technical documentation in brackets. User story 2. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on the big screen. So everyone can see. User story 2. Within the main doc element, I can see several sectioned elements, each with a class of main section. There should be minimum of 5. User story 3. The first element with each main section should be a header element which contains text that describes the topic of the section. Sorry. User story 4. Each section element with the class of main section should also have an ID that corresponds with the text of each header contained within it. Any spaces should be replaced with underscores. For example, the section that contains the header JavaScript and Java should have corresponding ID equals inside quotes JavaScript underscore and underscore Java. User story 5. The main section elements should contain at least 10 key elements total, not each. Okay. User story 6. The main section elements should contain at least 5 code elements total, not each, in brackets. I have no idea what not each means, but yeah. User story 7. The main section element should contain at least 5 list items total, not each, in brackets again. User story 8. I can see a nav element with the corresponding ID of nav bar or navigation bar, for short NAVBAR. User story 9. Nav bar element should contain one header element which contains that text that describes the topic of the technical documentation. User story 10. Additionally, the nav bar should contain link, in brackets A, this is the element for link, should contain link elements with the class of nav-link. There should be one for every element with the class main section. User story 11. The header element in the nav bar must come before any link elements in the nav bar. User story 12. Each element with the class of nav-link should contain text that corresponds with the header text within each section. For example, if you have a Hello World section / header, your nav bar should have an element which contains the text Hello World. User story 13. When I click on a nav bar element, the page should navigate to the corresponding section of the main doc element. For example, if I click on the nav-link element that contains the text Hello World, the page navigates to a section element that has that ID and contains the corresponding header. User story 14. On regular sized devices, laptops, desktops for example, the element with nav bar should be shown on the left side of the screen and should always be visible to the user. User story 15. My technical documentation page should use at least one media query. And then you can build your project by forking. There's a CodePen linked over there, or you can use this CDN link to run the test in any environment you like. And then there is a link to the JavaScript that runs the test. Once you're done, submit the URL to your working project with all its tests passing. Remember to use the read, search, ask method if you get stuck. And then what we have over here is when we're done, we can just paste our CodePen.io link over here, and then I've completed the challenge, bang. And then the last challenge is your personal portfolio. So yeah, this is going to be fun, and let me show you how the page itself looks. This is the example page, except this black bar. This is just CodePen's. Oops. Oh, sorry. and then you can see over here we have everything. So what's happening over here, if I click on variable scope, bang, I just fly off. What should I already know? Bang. This one is not clickable, it should be introduction, but there's nothing above introduction, so it makes sense. You see how it has these code sections over here with the code itself. I like how you can just select it. Whoops. Bang, bang, bang. References taken from MDN, which is an amazing source for everything, pretty much web design, like front end. Mozilla has been doing an amazing job at trying to teach people, and also fighting for the internet openness, which from what I know from news these days is that in America, in the States, in the land of the free, net neutrality got, that's not cancelled, but yeah, got brought down again by the FCC, the federal something of something, I have no idea, I'm not in the States. And there's been some throttling of certain video services like YouTube and Netflix, and usually the ISPs just, what they say, like they just slide it, oh, because we're managing traffic or whatever, like too much, blah blah blah. Just excuses, pure excuses. And then in the near future, you might expect, like people are fearing that you might expect like a special data plan. Like let's say that you're using Verizon or whatever other like operator they have over there, ISP they have over there, and they just offer you, hey, if you buy if you pay $5 more, you can watch Netflix like without any throttling. And that's what the fight was all about. Stop ISPs from throttling your traffic and then eventually asking for more money. Currently in Korea there was such a problem, but it wasn't, like it was somehow intentional, but at the same time it was because due to sheer stupidity. Like yeah, YouTube was throttled really bad like a few years ago, and imagine the country with the fastest internet on the world and you can't watch a proper YouTube video. Like it was buffering at 480p. So at some point at night I had to watch videos at 240p, which was, wow, it brought me back. At least they could have just brought the whole like old design of YouTube like before Google bought it. That would have been quite the experience with that fucking 250p. Oops, didn't mean to curse, sorry. I got heated up over there in the mall, yeah. So yeah. So Mozilla has been trying to educate people about the open internet and etc. etc. So let's just open it over here. If you need, oh sorry about it. If you need references about anything related to the internet pretty much, and everything to like front-end development, you can always go to developer.mozilla.org, and it also should be translated into several languages if I'm not mistaken. You can sign in with a GitHub account. Yeah, there should be several languages. Well, there's Bulgarian, there is Bengali, there is Bengali language, there's Catalan, because it's pretty much open. It's not, yeah, it's open source. It's a contribution. It's based on a contribution method. There's people who translate the whole page. You could also contribute to Mozilla and the whole MDN project by translating it into your own language. Like you can see, there is a lot of languages. This is interesting language, Burmese. So yeah, there is also Korean, And yeah, you see, you can click on contribute, the MDN project, then you can read a little bit more about how to contribute. Yeah, okay, let me just see in Bulgarian, I'm really curious. This translation is incomplete, please help translate this article from English. You see, it just tells you immediately. But the main menu is... No, I don't want to always see it in... Yeah, you can see... Oh, sorry, I'm gonna switch back to English, because there should be English UK, to be honest. Because I prefer... Do you always want to view the site in English? Yes. Go technologies, and then you have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, graphics, HTTP, APIs, and DOM, browser extensions, etc, etc. So go to HTML, and then you have explanation what HTML is, introduction, you have so many topics, multimedia and embedding, references, then you have all these references, like there is even Apple, which I guess it's... This feature is obsolete, although it may still work in some browser, its use is discouraged since it could be removed at any time. Try avoid using it. The Apple element was removed in Gecko 56 and Chrome 47. Whoa, what's the latest Chrome? Really? The latest Chrome was 47, right? Oh no, whoa, that got deleted long time ago now. The latest version is Chrome 69. Okay, so apparently the obsolete HTML applet element embeds a Java applet into the document. This element has been depreciated in favor of object. We have a nice explanation over here. And then you have related topics. It's really an amazing resource. And if I'm not mistaken, this is what also freeCodeCamp is trying to build itself. So you can always contribute over there if you want to contribute. You can go to freeCodeCamp and you can just look for contributions and how to contribute to the project. They have this database, pretty much like almost like a Wikipedia, where they want to have like this type of information available to everyone. And I would love to contribute. If I have more time, I'm going to try to contribute on the user experience topic, because it's something I am pursuing currently and I want to become better at, and what a nice way then to learn and also share what I've been learning now. But yeah, if you want to learn something, if you want to have like, these references are really helpful, by the way. You have almost everything, like you even have this color, you have this like garbage. I don't know what the garbage can, this feature is obsolete. Like if there is a garbage can or a trash bin next to the reference or the element itself, this means that it's obsolete. If there is a frame, this means that it is going to be obsolete or depreciated. So you never know when it's gonna become obsolete. Oops, sorry. Ooh, getting sleepy. Focus management in HTML, blah 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 blah. There's a lot of, oh, what is this? There's even a warning, non-standard. This feature, or more, the feature I'm looking now is NoBR. This feature is non-standard and is not on a standards track. Do not use it on production sites facing the web. It will not work for every user. There may also be large incompatibilities between implementations and the behavior may change in the future. The non-standard obsolete, wow, okay, HTML NOBR element prevents the text it contains from automatically wrapping across multiple lines. potentially resulting in the user having to scroll horizontally to see the entire width of the text, so potentially being uncomfortable. So yeah, okay, this is one thing I want to share. You can always sign in. I think I have it here. I tried to translate something but I never finished it. Yeah, and yeah, bye bye. Nope, again wrong hand. Here, go here. Oops. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. Go here. You can learn for free, freeCodeCamp. And then these are the tools I'm using if you're interested. For streaming it's OBS, open source streaming software for Mac and Windows, and I think it's also Linux, it's several. And then you have Visual Studio Code, which is my text editor I'm using. With maybe I can add extensions later, or for tomorrow I'm gonna prepare with extension list what I'm having. And this is my Twitter over here, so yeah, just follow me on Twitter. And if you liked some of the songs, you can find it over here, or it's going to be in the place of this Twitter when I'm switching, when I'm transitioning to other screens. So yeah, follow me on Twitter, go to freeCodeCamp and start learning coding today. freeCodeCamp.org. Knowledge is power. Okay, enough for today. Good night everyone, and yeah, see you tomorrow with a new project, with a new assignment. Let's finish with this one. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, bye bye, good night.
Ireland's only dedicated trance radio. 24 hours a day. This is Trance